Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Shakil Khan at Masjid Salahadeen construction site. Today is September 29th. I'll check some update. See some new water manholes being brought here. It seems like not much in this area. Okay, looks like they are pretty much moving this site up almost a couple of feet, putting dirt. Right, they have put this manhole, so hopefully they will be closing. I see a lot of connectors here being put here. Maybe they are assembling all of these. I hope so. I don't know why they are scattered. So that is the level probably they're going to bring in. It's kind of at least more than 2 feet. So maybe they have to keep moving the dirt. Okay, the trench that they had here is now closed. So this trench is closed now. See, for the water drain, storm water drain, and the trench they had it here. Which is closed. Yeah, they closed pretty much the entire trench here. So we got to this point. So they have kept a couple of manholes here. That's where the water is draining out. Seems like that might be okay with the city. So only the final touch-ups from the storm drain perspective. I believe they're going to start putting the blue pipes out there. Most likely, if not this week, maybe next week. And then start doing the trenches for the pavement. That's Farhan. All right. Barakallah fi. Assalamu alaikum.